Hello, don't make fun of my uh, मेकअप आई मेकअप स्पेसिफिकली टुडे. मैं कुछ ट्राई कर रही थी एंड आई थिंक वो फ्लॉप है, तो अब मैं नहीं करूँगी. बट डोंट मेक फन ऑफ दैट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आई welcome back to my channel. I am Janvi and I tried documenting my hair for 1 week straight. Meaning, I whatever my routine is for my hair, I documented all of it, what I do for my hair in a week on all days. Now this is not a very extreme hair care video क्योंकि मैं इतना करती नहीं हूँ. And I recently got a haircut, precisely not a drastic haircut but only a trim नीचे से and आगे से थोड़ा bangs कराए हैं मैंने क्योंकि I like that look. I like this clip वाला look. I feel young again. Now this is my attempt to getting younger. Anyway, I documented everything. Now this video was shot before my haircut, so I will show my hair after all of the days that you see. एंड में दिखाऊंगी वीडियो के. टिल देन सी व्हाट आई डू फॉर माई हेयर in a week. Let's get started. I'll start from a Sunday. Because on a Sunday, this is a clarifying shampoo that I use and I massage it thoroughly जैसे normally करते हैं. Then I squeeze out the water and apply a hair mask. Because I used a clarifying shampoo, तो इसीलिए I'm using a hair mask on this day to just help up with the nourishment for my hair. We have to leave it for 5 minutes, not more than that, and then rinse it out. Simple. After that, leave that hair in a good microfiber towel, or you can also use cotton t-shirts. That works good. Dry it normally. Then I use this hair serum by L'Oreal. It's really good. I use it in half damp hair. पूरे नहीं एयर ड्राई कराए मैंने, उसके पहले ही मुझे लगा लेना है. This provides really good shine and my hair feels softer. I don't heat style my hair regularly, only on special occasions, so this is it. In the night time, I use this hair growth serum by Pilgrim. I massage it very well and I put it on my bald spots, which is right on the crown of my head. Side से मेरे बाल उड़ रहे हैं, I don't know क्यों, but yes. So I give a good head massage every night. This is something that I do every night religiously. So I do this, I massage my head for a little while and then I make a braid. Simple Indian nighttime routine. The only thing that I do is massage this at night with the hair serum. Massage my hair with a good hair growth serum. I don't know if it's working or not. I can see baby hair, but मेरी मम्मी कहती है ये तो सबके ही आते हैं. This is not because of your serum, but okay, I will believe that because I am using that. Then it's Tuesday and of course I'm doing it again क्योंकि रात का रिचुअल यही है मेरा हेयर करके. अब मैं सुबह कुछ नहीं करती. I don't wash my hair very often. So this is my only routine that I follow for my night time for my hair. And this looks very quick but it takes about 15 minutes for a good massage. Then I braid it and go to sleep. On Tuesday night, this is something that I do which is extra. I make rice water. I just soak the rice in the water after washing it out a few times. Then in the morning, I strain it all out and the rice water is ready for us to be used on our hair. This I don't do it regularly. I do it occasionally, like जब मैं फ्री होती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा तो मुझे याद आ जाता है तब करती हूँ. इट्स नॉट वेरी रेगुलर. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन यूज़ इट every 2 weeks. Then I just put all of that राइस वाटर एंड रिंस इट आउट. मतलब मैं अच्छे से 5 मिनट तक इधर उधर से सब जगह से डालती हूँ वही राइस वाटर घुमा घुमा के. एंड ऑनेस्टली इट एक्चुअली डज वर्क. ऑल्सो इट मेक्स माई हेयर रियली रफ and I don't wash it after it. Like I don't put normal water after putting rice water. So I just gave a little bit of a massage and because my hair becomes very rough after rice water, I use this night cream by L'Oreal which is very bad, but I had to finish it up and it works really well in this type of situation. When my hair is rough, it's like a leave-in conditioner. After that, on the same night, nighttime routine still stays the same, which is the Pilgrim hair growth serum. Also, I have also used Wish Care hair care serum, which is also really good, and I think it is slightly better than the Pilgrim one because it makes my hair less greasy. This does make my hair very greasy. So when I have to do shampoo the other day, then I put a lot of hair serum in this. As you can see, my hair is very champu champu because this serum does leave you greasy. Okay, this is the next morning, Thursday morning. I put a hair mask, which is a DIY hair mask, which includes dahi, honey, anda, and some coconut oil. This mask really works well. Then, of course, I let it sit for 1 hour, and then I put shampoo, which is this from Vela, and then conditioner, which is from L'Oreal. Same thing again, I put the microfiber towel in my hair, and then after it is a little bit dry, then I use the L'Oreal serum again. It doesn't change anything in this. As you can see, I don't follow a very extensive अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट का. शैम्पू और कंडीशनर मेरा अलग रहता है. शैम्पू एक बार मैं वेला वाला यूज़ करती हूँ, एक बार मैं लॉरियल का क्लैरिफाइंग यूज़ करती हूँ. Then again, nighttime routine comes, which is this Pilgrim hair growth serum. It sounds like an ad, but it is not. Please Pilgrim sponsor me, but वो क्यों sponsor करेंगे मुझे? मैंने just कहा कि विश केयर सीरम उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा है, but okay, whatever. I think the braid really helps with the hair being better. क्योंकि अगर खोल के आप सोते हो तो I don't think so that it is doing anything good for your hair. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि नहीं अच्छा होता है. बाकी तो हो भी सकता है जिसको जो सूट कर जाए. जैसे मुझे नहीं करता, मेरे बाल बड़े अजीब से हो जाता है, टैंगल्ड, उसको सुलझाने में बहुत दुखता है. तो इससे बेटर होता है कि मैं अच्छे से ब्रेड करके सोऊं ताकि मेरे सारे बाल इंटैक्ट रहें. और ब्रेड करने का फ़ायदा एक ये होता है मुझे कि मेरे सुबह ना बाल थोड़े से कर्ली होते हैं, विच आई रियली लाइक. तो मैं तो करना ही प्रेफर करती हूँ. ना दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट नाइट. ऑफ कोर्स आई ऑल्सो डू द सीरम ओनली. मैं सुबह कुछ नहीं करती इतना. सो दिस इज़ फ्राइडे नाइट, एंड फ्राइडे को मैं अच्छे से सीरम ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ क्योंकि सैटरडे यूजुअली आई डोंट गो एनीवेयर, तो आई कैन लुक ग्रीसी एंड मैं अच्छे से मसाज करती हूँ इसको. मेक श्योर दैट आप जब भी हेयर ग्रोथ करना चाहते हो तो यू मसाज योर स्कैल्प रियली वेल. इवन विदाउट अ सीरम यू कैन डू दैट, क्योंकि मसाज से भी बहुत फ़ायदा मिलता है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. पता नहीं मिलता है कि नहीं. Here comes Saturday night. I use this oil in my hair क्योंकि of course we are Indians, we have to use oil and I don't see any bad benefit from the oil. बाकी yes, मैं हमेशा ओवरनाइट नहीं छोड़ती, मैं कभी कभी सुबह भी लगा लेती हूँ एंड देन 4-5 घंटे बाद हेयर वॉश कर लेती हूँ. बट सैटरडे को मैं लगाना चाह रही थी तो मैंने कर लिया. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली रियली गुड ऑयल बट इट्स स्लाइटली थिकर, तो आई विल प्रेफर इट यूजिंग इट इन विंटर्स rather than in summers. Okay, hydration break. Please drink your water as well. Anyway, this was a very good oil. It is almost finished as you can see, but it's a very good oil with very good ingredients. No fuss ingredients. कोई भी chemical वाला ingredient नहीं है इसमें जो harsh होता है. कोई भी mineral oil भी नहीं है. Okay, for the length I use this coconut oil by Parachute क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा thick रहता है ना, तो इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ scalp पे use करती थी. You can use any oil honestly, जो भी आपको चाहिए. argan oil use कर लो, बहुत हल्का भी होता है, बहुत अच्छा भी होता है. So this is it, and then the Sunday comes, it continues all again. This is my hair after following the 1 week of hair care like this and after having a trim. So this is what I do to my hair on all days of a week. Now this routine kind of works for me. Now I don't do the hair mask, DIY hair mask every week and the rice water every week, but I try to include either of those at least every week. तो अगर मैं एक हफ़्ता राइस वाटर कर लूँगी, दूसरा हफ्ता मैं ये DIY हेयर मास्क लगा लूँगी. बाय द वे हेयर मास्क मैं बहुत कम लगाती हूँ ये वाला, क्योंकि थोड़ा मेसी प्रोसेस हो जाता है, बट मुझे उसका रिज़ल्ट अच्छा लगता है तो इसलिए मैं लगाती हूँ. महीने में एक बार तो मैं ऐसा हेयर मास्क लगा ही लेती हूँ, या तो दही के साथ या तो अंडे के साथ, एंड मतलब कुछ तो बना के लगा ही लेती हूँ. Let me know if you want a video on just that. But all of these products work well for me. And ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं इन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ स्टिक करती हूँ, मैं बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स चेंज करती हूँ. बट अभी क्योंकि मैं प्रोजेक्ट प्लान कर रही हूँ तो आई कीप ऑन यूजिंग द सेम प्रोडक्ट जब तक वो ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता है. तो बट for hair care I try a lot of things. That means I try a lot of shampoos, a lot of conditioners, a lot of hair masks, a lot of oil. किसी भी एक से मैं स्टक तो नहीं रह सकती. So yes, this is it for my hair care video. Let me know what kind of videos will you want to see from me. I really like watching this hair care, skin care, body care, self growth videos, and I want to create that of my own thoughts. And I also want to create some social commentary videos, but let's see what I do. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else do you want. Bye bye.
And we just skip straight to the plot twist.